Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another video on Phil's Salvage rebuilds. So today the plan is to get this Peugeot 208 completely built up, so the whole front end all back on, and headlights in, wings, bumper, so we're completely finished in terms of visuals. So we've got everything painted now, everything's here ready, so let's just crack on and let's get it built up. So quickly before we dive into this, as always, if you enjoy these videos, enjoy this channel, please do consider subscribing. It does help very much towards the YouTube algorithm. And don't forget, once we hit that 10,000 subscriber mark, we're going to give a car away. Not this, and not the Peugeot over there, and not the Polo GTI either. But I will buy a car, cheap car, and I will give it to a subscriber. So let's get on with it and build this car up. Okay, so we've got, like I said, all the bits ready. These are the wings that I painted the other day. They're all dusty now, so they will look dirty, but I'm pretty sure I've cracked it with the orange peel effect on these wings, and should be a lot easier now to finish them off and smooth them off with a bit of polish afterwards. So we'll get them on, cleaned up, and get it outside and have a look at that. So yeah, we've got the two wings, they're going to go on first. We've got the under tray, and we've got another under tray there, they need to go on. We have these gorgeous headlights. I think they don't even look like they've ever been fit to a car, these, which is weird, because there's no marks at all where the fixings are, like a wear mark from the washer. So we've got these apparent brand new headlights, and we also have the bumper that we painted in the video, and as you remember, we've got the colour coded centre grille. So again, once it's outside in the light and nice and clean, we'll have a good look at that, and I'm happy with it not being chrome. I think it looks fine. And obviously we've got the washer jet cover there. So let's get going, let's crack on and get this car built up, because I need this thing out of here now. Because, as I mentioned, the Polo GTI, that's coming any day, and it has no windows in it, so it needs to be in here. Therefore I need to make some room, so I need to get this finished and outside. So let's get on with it. Crack on, let's get these wings on, and I'll just remind you, you've got your two fixings down there, slide fit, so they slide on underneath the fixing. You've got one in here, again it's a slide fixing, so that'll slide in there. You've got the one up here, again it just slides on, and then you've got two fixings there, two fixings there. So quite a few fixings, all these on, but they are sold paper thin, these wings. It's no surprise any fender bender will bend these. Alright, let's get it fit. So we got one wing on, nice even gaps, colours looking perfect. Look at that there, and even the orange peel content, new, old, colour match perfect, and even the content of the orange peel. You always get orange peel on new paint, and it's very similar to what I've got on mine. So I'm very happy with that. Right, I'll put the other one on off camera, and then we can move on to the headlights. Okay, we've got the other wing on. Again, nice gap, nice and even. And now it's time for the headlights. So obviously once all this is all in, there's going to be a bit of tweaking to do to make it all line up. so don't worry about the gaps and stuff too much right now. Let's get our headlights in, we'll plug them in and we'll see if they, well, they should work. Like I said, look like brand new, but we'll just make sure they all work as well, I think. There we go, guys. Headlights working. Nice LED strip for the side lights. All good. So we can move on now to the next bit. It's going to be this under tray, because that bolts straight onto the front through there, and then them fix up into it. And then I think the bumper can go on then. And yeah, we'll get in there, aren't we? Right guys, it's in place. It's not secured in properly yet though, but it's looking alright, isn't it? Looking good. I'll continue now and I'll get all this bumper completely fastened up, and I'll play around with the alignments of the stuff, and once I'm happy with it and I think it's right, we will have a look at the finished article. But yeah, so far chuffed to bits with it, looking good. Okay, there we go. All back together. And I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks fine with that colour coded trim on the front. Someone they said to me it screams out as a unmarked police car. And yeah, I can agree with them. So the wings have turned out pretty much perfect regarding the paint. So putting that thinners in, and I altered my technique a bit, and we're actually now pretty much the same orange peel as, you know, say the rest of the car. That's ours. That's the original. The bonnet is going to take a little bit of flatting because I hadn't started putting reducer in it, I don't think, or did I? I think I put reducer in it, but I didn't change my technique, so it's got a little bit. Nowhere near as much as the C250. So yeah, this car's pretty much finished now. It needs a good clean inside. I need to, you know, like I said, wet sand the bonnet, put the washer jets in, and then it is done. Other than putting obviously the Peugeot badges on. I've noticed a bit of scratching on this door as well now though, now that it's clean. So all I can do is get the buffer out and see what I can get out, and if it's then suitable to be sold or if it needs painted. So yeah, this will be going up for sale soon. I'm still waiting for a logbook because obviously the coronavirus and stuff. So as soon as that comes, we'll get it up for sale and get rid of it. And I'll do your price breakdown. Right, before we finish this video, just a quick word on the 2 videos I removed, and you know why. Now, them videos were put up purely to show you guys what I thought had happened to the parts, okay? Now, what you've all done and gone, placing reviews and stuff is totally out of order. At the end of the day, none of us know 100% the full story, and we never will do. All I could do was put up what I had. Yes, I asked them and we didn't get very far, but that's not a good enough reason to go around placing all these reviews on a company that, for all we know, could be absolutely innocent in it. So you need to go back and remove them reviews, because I think it's totally out of order, and if you want to see this channel continue, they need to go. It's as simple as that. I don't want my name all over the internet like that, bad-mouthing a company that quite possibly could have done nothing wrong. It's not right, it's not fair. So please remove the reviews, otherwise the channel is just going to get deleted, it's going to go. Because I'm not that kind of person. I do not want to cause them any loss of business. If you personally had a bad experience, then by all means, but you can't go around putting reviews on based on a one-sided story you've seen on YouTube, and that wasn't my intention whatsoever. So get them removed and we'll move on for this and forget about it completely. Don't place any more comments in videos about them either. Anything I see relating to them will be deleted, and if it continues, the people posting them will be deleted as well. It's as simple as that. I've had enough of this already. It's gone way over the top and it's got to stop. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.